Hey there, welcome. You might be wondering, how can I win that much without putting in all the hard work? Well, it starts with something most of us overlook, your mindset. Winning 5,000 times doesn't mean running around chasing every opportunity or hustling non-stop. It's about understanding how your thoughts, beliefs, and actions align with the universe. Sounds simple, right? But what if I told you that your success doesn't depend on constant effort or a never-ending grind? What if your mind could work for you in ways that would bring you those wins effortlessly? That's the power of your subconscious mind, and that's exactly where the real winning begins. The first thing you need to understand is that you don't have to try to win. In fact, trying too hard can sometimes work against you. Have you ever noticed that when you're not forcing things, the right opportunities seem to come your way? When you let go of the pressure to make things happen, that's when the magic starts to unfold. The truth is, winning often comes down to alignment. When your inner thoughts and beliefs are aligned with what you want in life, things start falling into place. This alignment happens without you consciously trying. It's like when you stop obsessing over a goal, and all of a sudden, the doors start opening for you. This is the power of being in the right mindset, and it's how you can win over and over again. Now, think about it this way: imagine you've been focused on something for so long, and it just doesn't seem to happen. Maybe it's a job, a relationship, or a personal goal. What you might not realize is that this focus can sometimes create resistance. You're constantly thinking about how things are not working out, and this just reinforces a lack of results. So how do you break free from this cycle? The secret lies in shifting your focus. Instead of chasing the outcome, focus on the feeling you want to have when you achieve that goal. It's not about trying harder, it's about aligning with the feeling of success and abundance. When you can feel that success in your bones, the universe will respond to that energy. Think of it like this: if you keep imagining yourself already winning, you're sending that signal out to the universe. This is how things start aligning without you having to push. You're sending out a vibration of success, and that vibration attracts similar opportunities. The more you practice this, the easier it gets to make things happen without effort. You'll start noticing that opportunities present themselves more frequently, and those wins will start stacking up without you even trying. Another key point in winning effortlessly is letting go of the need for control. We all have a tendency to want to control every aspect of our lives, especially when it comes to big goals. But here's the thing: trying to control everything only creates tension. When you let go and trust the process, you create space for things to flow naturally. You stop pushing, and things come to you instead. How often do you hear people say, "I worked so hard to get where I am," or "I had to struggle to make it happen"? But here's a little secret: people who seem to be winning without effort aren't always pushing themselves to the limit. They've found a way to let go and let things unfold naturally. And it's not just about doing less, it's about doing the right things in alignment with your desires. A major factor in winning without trying is thinking of the power of belief. What you believe about yourself and the world around you plays a huge role in shaping your reality. If you believe that success and abundance are meant for you, you'll attract those very things. Your subconscious mind is constantly at work, and when you fill it with positive, empowering beliefs, you begin to see that reflected in your life. But here's the catch: your beliefs have to be genuine. You can't just say, "I believe in success," and expect everything to change. It's about embodying that belief on a deeper level. You need to truly believe that success, abundance, and all the wins you want are already on their way to you. When you start living with that belief, the universe has no choice but to deliver. The next step in this process is learning how to stay calm and centered. Life can be chaotic, and it's easy to get distracted by what's not going right. But in those moments of chaos, remember that your power lies in staying calm and trusting that everything will work out in your favor. It's like when you're playing a game and the pressure builds, but you take a deep breath and focus on the next move. That calmness gives you clarity, and with clarity, you can make decisions that move you closer to your goals without the need for unnecessary effort. Now, let's talk about the power of visualization. It might sound simple, but this is a game changer. When you visualize your success, you're telling your brain that it's already happening. The brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined, so by vividly imagining your success, you're setting the stage for it to manifest in the physical world. Visualize your goals, feel the emotions of success, and watch as the universe begins to mirror that energy. There's something incredibly powerful about feeling like you've already won. When you feel victorious, you act differently. You walk with confidence, speak with assurance, and make decisions that reflect your inner knowing of success. This energy is magnetic, and before you know it, those 5,000 wins will start coming to you effortlessly. It's also important to acknowledge the role of gratitude in this process. Gratitude is a powerful force that amplifies your positive energy. When you are grateful for the small wins, the universe rewards you with even more to be thankful for. It's about recognizing the abundance that's already in your life and appreciating it fully. When you focus on gratitude, your vibration raises, and you start attracting more of the same. Let's not forget about the importance of taking inspired action. While you don't need to be constantly working hard, taking action when it feels right is key. When your mind is aligned with your goals and you're in a state of flow, you'll feel prompted to take small actions that lead to big results. These actions won't feel like effort because they're inspired by your inner knowing, and that's when things start happening effortlessly. So, how do you start winning 5,000 times without trying? It all comes down to letting go, aligning with your desires, and believing in your success. It's about creating the right mindset and allowing things to come to you instead of chasing them down. When you adopt this mindset, the universe works in ways that you couldn't possibly have imagined. Your wins will come, and they will come in ways that are easy, natural, and joyful. To sum it up, winning without trying is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about shifting your mindset, aligning with your desires, and allowing the universe to work for you. It's about trusting that everything you want is already on its way to you, and your only job is to stay open to receiving it. When you can live with this knowing, your wins will multiply, and they will come in ways that are effortless, abundant, and truly life-changing. Now that you know how you can start winning 5,000 times without even trying, remember that it all begins with you. Your thoughts, beliefs, and actions create the reality you experience. When you shift your focus and allow things to flow, you'll see just how easy it is to win, again and again. One of the best ways to ensure this happens is to practice mindfulness. When you're present in the moment, you allow your intuition to guide you. Instead of being caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past, mindfulness helps you stay grounded. It also opens the door to inspiration. When you allow yourself to be still, you create the space for ideas to flow effortlessly. These ideas, many of which come from your subconscious mind, hold the key to your next success. The more you practice being mindful, the easier it will be to make decisions that move you closer to your goals. Understanding the law of attraction is another key element to manifesting success effortlessly. This universal principle states that like attracts like. The energy you put out into the world returns to you in the form of similar energy. So if you are constantly radiating positivity, gratitude, and a belief in your own worth, the universe will respond by sending you opportunities and situations that reflect that energy. The more you consciously focus on this principle, the more powerful its effect will be on your life. By aligning your thoughts and energy with your desires, you create a magnet for everything you want to manifest. So, if you enjoyed this content and want more insights on how to live a life of abundance and success, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world, and by subscribing, you'll never miss out on more valuable content. Join us in this journey and stay updated with more helpful tips and strategies to make your dreams a reality.